Good morning, everybody. This morning we've been woken up with thoughts and ideas of a friend that is very goal driven. We putting an end to this relationship or situation so that we can move on into the new. We've been given a lot of internal strength and confidence, and the universe says yes, they are guiding you and helping you in this area. We're discovering that this person is actually a two faced friend and does not have our best interests at heart. The spirit is guiding us and with lots of love and wants you to feel the security and helping hand they're giving you in connecting with your own love and peace and harmony and attracting those kind of people into your life. You stepping into a new experience and you have gained a lot of confidence within yourself. You letting go of the past, and you aligning yourself with a higher power. A magical journey is about to begin, and we are preparing ourselves for this. It's time to act. Things are speeding up, and there are already improvements underway. The spirit is aware that we've tried out many different things, and we've been very patient. And it's time now for an increase in material wealth and spiritual growth. We're doing things our way and we can manifest anything that we want. There has been temporary problems, but they say that you already have the answers. Stay positive and stay focused. Your new beginning is here. You just have to take that leap of faith and say, yes, this is what I'm doing. Keep your life in balance, breathe, rest, and reset, and be your own priority. You are being guided and you will receive the clarity you need. There is wonderful things coming your way in money, in your relationships. You're receiving wisdom and also loyalty. The dogs mean loyalty with your friends and family. Your loved ones. Your loved ones say purification by purifying your life of negative people, places, and experiences. You attain true peace. Love you all very much. Have a good day.